Do you know what transport is? It is the movement of goods from one place to another. Simple, and yet, somehow, it has developed a surprisingly large collection of names. Road transport, heavy transport, container transport, refrigerated transport, international transport, special transport. It's transpossible. More than delivery, parcels to people, moves your business. It simply works. Always on time, delivering your promises, your timing, our drive. Together, further, finding new ways. Driven by passion, we take it personally, straight to the point. Tell me more. We care, we value, we challenge. Good looks on the road. Spice up your brand, transforming future coolness. Driven by trailers, vansation. Drum drum, drum drum. Thank God, a blank one. Did you know I collect little crowns too? Kingfish selection. Royal eyes bouts. Wait, no? Not now. Okay, next video then.